Today I'm going to be installing the smoked lens kit that is made by Helix and it's available on Eurotuning's website. As well as for the side markers, I'll be putting in some 194 LED bulbs that I got from seperate.com. I'm changing the side indicators for two reasons. One, they look kind of terrible, and two, that shouldn't happen. The clip in the back is broken for some reason. And on the other side, there is absolutely no lens at all. In the Helix kit, you'll get two boxes, one for your front side markers, one for your indicators. In the smaller one, you'll have your indicators. They come in individual packages. They come with a little protective plug, I guess, on the back, similar to what the bulb would plug in, and they come with protective coating on top of them. One thing I do like about them is that they have a metal tab rather than the plastic one, because as you saw on the other side, the plastic one breaks with a little bit of wear and tear over time. And for the Helix side marker kit, it's pretty much the same deal. You get a small box, you get two bags inside the box. Just open them up. These don't have a protective coating on them, but they are pretty much identical to those ones as far as I know, with the spring on the back. They have a bit of tape over the back. They have a warranty void sticker, which I didn't know they came with warranty, which is nice. And it's a nice smoked color, pretty much the same gradient as what's on there. And yeah, these ones are side specific, looking at that. So this is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. You can tell by the edge curves up and away from the front of the car. These other two look to be completely universal, so they could go on either side. Those ones are side specific. Now these are supposed to be fairly simple to change. You're supposed to push them to the front of the car and pivot the back out, which is easier said than done, apparently. Oh, that one's got a metal tab. I don't think that's original to the car. They must have replaced this once before. Anyways, what you can do is just wiggle it, or if it's not coming so easy, take a screwdriver, pry ever so gently on the rubber gasket. And there's one. So we're going to take the cap off of our Helix light, line up the grooves and the points with our tab facing forwards, wiggle that into place. It should just be, you put that pin there, and move on to the other side. Now, as you saw, this one's not so hard to replace because that tab is broken. So just wiggle it off, get your other one, pull the plug out, and tab to the front. Snaps into place, put your tab in, lock it in place, and it's all good. You might have a bit of trouble removing the protective layer if you've got latex gloves on. And there we go, much better looking. Now we'll move on to the side markers. So these are a fairly simple thing to get rid of, to take out. You just have to push in on the front and then pry forwards with it with a screwdriver ever so gently. So you push in, not all the way in, like not hard, just until you see this able to go past the inside of the bumper. And you just get these two tabs out past in the back, take it out gently, and you can see there's our spring tab. And it's pretty much the same rubber used for the side indicators. So this is the stock amber. This is the helix. You can see that they're pretty much identical. The levers look almost the same. Springs a little bit different on the coiling on the bottom and whatnot, but otherwise they look pretty much the same. Now this bulb is burned out, so we're just going to gently pull that out. It's a 194 bulb, and we'll be replacing it with a 194 LED from Super Bright LEDs. That's strange. Why doesn't it light up? Did I get a burned bulb from them? Okay, that one works just fine. Alright, so we take our side marker, wiggle that on, as far as I know installation is the same as reversal. And it comes out like that. And this one should be the same. Push in on the front, screwdriver in the back, gently take it out, wiggle the back, there's the bulb. Yeah, whatever, it's not working. Let's put a regular bulb in for now. I gotta grab the right one. Alright, and we'll stick that into this one. Looks alright. Look better if it was an LED. And we're done. So that was the install of the Helix smoked side marker kits. Pretty happy with everything. It looks really nice. It went together really well. If you have any questions or anything, just ask down below. I'm going to put links to everything used in this video and where I bought it. And should be it.